Hello and welcome to the Void Acoustics walkthrough for the Inca series amplifiers. The following will explain the functionality of the UI and demonstrate how to configure your Inca series amplifier. There are multiple videos covering each of the 5 main pages of the UI. Under Zone, there are 4 subpages: Source, Volume, Restrictions, and Compressor. Under each subpage, you can configure each zone A, B, C, and D. You can set them from mono to stereo. This will combine A and B or C and D. You can mute, and you can adjust the volume of the zone. Under Source, you can set a primary input, a priority input, and also configure ducking. Under the Volume subpage, the range for the volume adjustment can be set and the mute button can be disabled. These changes affect the dashboard page. Additionally, zone controls through GPIO can be configured. On the Restrictions subpage, you can disable or enable inputs that can be routed to the selected zone. This can be used to ensure only the correct audio is played from that zone. The last subpage of Zone is the compressor. The compressor can be either set to default mode, where a threshold is set, or manual mode, where you have control over the attack time, release time, hold time, the ratio, and the knee. If you have any questions or need further guidance, please feel free to email support@voidacoustics.com or call the office at +44 1202 666 006.